Guys, nice little video for YouTube again. Ford Transit Custom. Obviously this one's got a partition in the back here, so it's got the 3 seats and the 2 seats, okay? Alright, now, it's a 2018 model, okay, /19. Now what we've done a front audio upgrade. So what we've done, we've changed the factory speakers, the crappy ones, the tweeters. Everything's gone back in its own housing. So it's gone home, as we call it, okay? So we use the ground zero 4-channel amp, okay? Again, we've used the Audison front components, phenomenal. You can't go wrong with the APK 165, guys, front component speakers. Now we've also got a 10-inch sub to give you that bottom end. As you all know, music ain't music without just a hint of bass in the background. We added a bass controller so you can adjust it and give it a bit more when you want. Now what we've done, okay, is running off the factory fit head unit, okay. Alright, we've hidden everything, so nothing's in the back cabin apart from the guy's tools. Nothing's under the back seat. We've hidden the sub completely somewhere different. Okay, I won't tell you where. So there's a lot of haters out there, guys. You know, people try to copy our bits and bobs. I won't name who's, but they're not very far from us. Okay, so guys, alright, so if you guys want your audio upgrade done, okay, you can either Instagram us at Car Sound Security, you can email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com, okay, or you can give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554. Okay, don't forget, guys, my name is Chris. No one else knows what we're talking about, alright? So just remember, it's all done on the factory. Everything looks factory, as you can see, and guys, it sounds awesome. So don't forget to give us a shout out. Thanks for watching, guys.